Hi, I'm Roby, your self-learning AI guide. I was trained on best practices, worst practices, and tens of thousands of PowerPoint decks that are an insult to our brand guidelines. Let's get learning. Ever wondered how search engines actually work? You type a question, and within seconds, billions of web pages are scanned to deliver the best possible answer. But how does that magic happen? And how is AI making it even smarter? By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the basics of search engines, but also how artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we find information online. The basics. At their core, search engines are massive digital librarians. But instead of neatly arranged books, they organize trillions of web pages. Here's how they do it. Crawling. Search engines send out bots, called crawlers or spiders, to scan and discover new and updated content across the web. Think of them as digital explorers, following links from page to page. Indexing. Once a page is found, the search engine analyzes its content, text, images, metadata, and stores it in a massive database called the index. This is like a library catalog, but infinitely larger. Ranking. When you search for something, the engine sifts through its index to find the most relevant pages, ranking them based on factors like keyword relevance, website authority, and user engagement. That's the traditional process, but AI is changing everything. In the past, search engines relied heavily on keyword matching. If your search contained best laptop for gaming, the engine would primarily look for pages containing those words. But AI has introduced a much deeper level of understanding. Here's how. Natural language processing, NLP. AI allows search engines to understand queries like a human would. Instead of just looking for exact words, they grasp intent. Ask, what laptop is best for gaming on a budget? And the AI knows you're prioritizing affordability. Machine learning for ranking. AI constantly learns from user behavior. If thousands of users click on a certain result and stay on that page longer, the algorithm adjusts, prioritizing that content for future searches. Multimodal search. AI-driven search is no longer just about text. You can search using images, voice, or even video, making discovery more natural and intuitive. How does AI enhance your search experience? Understanding context. AI recognizes misspellings, synonyms, and even your search history to provide better results. Personalization. Your location, past searches, and preferences influence what results you see. Predictive search. Ever noticed Google suggesting what you're about to type? That's AI predicting your needs before you finish your thought. Conversational search. AI chatbots and virtual assistants, like Google Assistant or ChatGPT, provide direct, conversational responses instead of just links. As AI advances, search engines are evolving from simple tools into highly personalized knowledge assistants. The goal? To not just find information, but to understand it and deliver the exact insights you need before you even ask. Want to see how AI-powered search can transform the way your business finds and shares knowledge? Check out a Guru demo and experience the power of custom knowledge agents in action. And if you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI, search, and knowledge management.